What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have currently in this instrument. Now, euro dollar, we see on the lower time frame and higher time frame perspective, there is a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade euro dollar. First of all, let's look at monthly. Why? Because monthly, weekly will give you a clear direction in the market, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. Now, euro dollar on the monthly, this is a very strongly bearish market. Long term perspective, euro dollar was creating series of lower high and lower low, and we have seen a very strong move. Now, the last candle, the monthly, that is another strong bearish candle, and we could see a long term movement on euro dollar to the downside. Why? Because this middleman that closed in the last month, we have seen tested this support as a resistance, and this support is really important. Why? Because if you look at this big move, all the candles are red except one green candle that can give us a high liquidity, and we have seen the price touch this zone and rejected with the long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom. That means that we could see couple of monthly candle to the downside on euro dollar, so we could see further move on the higher time frame perspective. If you look at the weekly, we have seen a nice looking bearish price action after this trending market move correction. Now in that correction, we have seen perfect test of this support as resistance, and we have seen another move. Now with that said, what we can expect now, euro dollar to either to open with a gap and continue to drop, or we could see after little retracement euro dollar is coming down and dropping. So with that in mind, daily perspective, this is another bearish price action on the daily. If you closely look at, we see that there is a movement happen and retracement. With that retracement, we have seen the price created a series of lower high on the daily perspective. So this is the last day of trading week. It's a narrow long dodging. So what is the significance in this? If you look at closely, this red candle is a strong rejection followed by another long week, means another rejection, back to back 2 days rejection with a lower high, and we see every time the price was creating a series of lower high. Now it is in this level of support. So what might happen in the new trading, we could see even a meltdown from here directly, or after little retracement we could see that euro dollar is coming down. So if you look at the intraday perspective, in my last analysis of the trading week, this is what exactly I mentioned. If you see that there is a long local channel has been created on euro dollar, and this is what exactly I mentioned. You see that this channel has been tested this support here as a resistance, and we have seen a strong rejection with a long bearish engulfer with that has crossed the high, has an element of false breakout, and also crossed the low with a full body red followed by this narrow candle. So when you see this kind of bearish engulfer in this important level of resistance followed by a narrow candle, that is a sign that euro dollar could continue to drop even from here, respecting this candle. So as soon as the market open in the new trading week, we will potentially wait for a possible shorting opportunity on euro to dollar from this zone with a high risk to reward ratio with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.